For the past few days, I've just been feeling off. I've been stuck in bed, constantly doom scrolling, letting time go by, day by day, not even knowing what day it is. Not exercising, not eating properly, eating terrible to be honest. And after laying here day after day, I'm like, Quay, get it together. I realized something had to change. It's time to switch up things. For real, this time. Because I know I can. Welcome to my new series, Resetting My Life in My 30s. Vlog. Alright, so I look a little wild, but we're about to go walk these stairs. If I get hot, I could just always take this off. I have a t-shirt under it. But yeah, anyway, so we're about to hit these stairs, 17 flights. I will possibly record a little bit of me, maybe, because last time I didn't record nothing at all, but this time I might record some, so I'll see y'all there. I'm ready to be done with this shit. 4 times ain't no joke. Yeah, big queen, not the little one. Alright, y'all. So I'm done. I'm so hot, tired. 4 flights. Well, not 4 flights, 17 flights. 4 times is crazy. Last time I did 3. This time I did 4, so it's improvement. And I actually was moving way faster as well, so I'm happy. I'm getting notifications. Y'all see it? Goal achieved. Make it happen. You see it? Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah. So, about to shower and start my day. Here's my breakfast. Got some eggs, some toast, some dragon fruit, and some apple juice. Quick little breakfast. So this is the consistency that I got it. I did add a third egg because the recipe I was looking at was 2 eggs, but it was half of sweet potato. But this is 1 big sweet potato. And this is for 2 people, so, you know, bigger portions. So y'all, this is my first time trying, and it just crumbled up. Round 2, guys. My phone's about to die, so I'll let y'all know what the finished product is once I'm done. This one came out better, guys. Don't mind how dirty this pan looked, but like, man, I'm struggling. This is the finished product. Hey, yo, I quit. I give up. I didn't try. Oh, my Lord. Never really been someone who cooks. My dad is a chef, so growing up, I was definitely spoiled and never had to learn my way around the kitchen. But now that I'm in my 30s and living on my own, something shifted. I got tired of constantly putting fast food and processed meals into my body and not feeling my best. So lately, I've been putting real effort into what I eat. Not from a place of restriction, but from a place of wanting to take better care of myself. And surprisingly, y'all, like, I'm actually starting to enjoy cooking. Something I never thought I'd say. This week is about learning, showing up, and choosing better for myself, because real change begins with the small decisions we make every single day. Alright, so I spread my rice out. You see the little brown pieces in it because I use coconut sugar in mine. And now we're just taking the seaweed. Mixture that we just made. We're gonna put it all on top and spread it out evenly across the whole thing. Cooking is still new for me. Some days I'm guessing measurements, some days the recipe turns out amazing, and other days not so much. But I'm starting to really enjoy the process, which is something I never expected. It makes me feel more connected to what I'm eating and more in control of my routine. I've learned that dieting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about being intentional and choosing foods that actually make you feel good. Meal prepping helps me stay consistent, especially on busy days when fast food feels like the easiest option. And over time, the small habits are making a big difference. This is what it looks like. I'm excited. I can't wait to try it. All right, y'all. Taste test. So, let's scoop her on up. Put her on the thing. I kind of got a lot of low. Here we go. This is alright, y'all. It's definitely seafood. That's all I gotta say. Like, it's definitely like a whoa explosion in your mouth. I'm gonna be making this again. That's all I gotta say. Watering my plants remind me that growth is quiet and gradual. The same way we nurture what's around us, we have to nurture ourselves too, with patience, good habits, and self-care. Another week of trying, another step forward. So bad because I haven't been watering them, so I just drenched my babies. And here is the other one. I'm gonna get a little bit more water and put in this one. This one doesn't take as much water. I probably need to put some new soil in it because it's kind of dense, so like the water goes through it pretty fast. And actually these haven't been like repotted in a long time. So now you see this one looks bad. I need to cut that off and give my baby some attention because they definitely like, she's still doing good though. Ursula's still doing good. Y'all see all this. This was not there the last time I showed y'all her. She's still doing good, but thank God I got succulents because if not, these things will not be lasting. So yeah. She's kind of tall though.